Everybody, Jason Lake with the team here at MarineMax Clearwater, and today I have the opportunity to bring you Boston Whaler's 250 Dauntless. This is a really versatile boat. You can change quite a bit of features on this boat as you design it for yourself, but if you come into any of our showrooms, we design them differently throughout so that you have options to choose from. Really cool boat. You can see here I have the port side aft seat arranged for you. They do a great job at tucking that entire seat away. All of your fittings and everything on this decking here is flush mounted, so you have no tripping impediments as you're fishing the boat. As you step into the boat, we have JL audio speakers fore and aft. Really good sound system on board this boat. You do have a couple of options here as well for your helm seat. We currently have this adjustable helm seat sitting forward so that you can face forward and drive the boat, but we can also bring it back, use it as a leaning post, and have an aft facing seat while you watch your lines. You can see we have 2 rod holders here as well. All of the equipment and everything you use to pop different handles and latches and everything on a Boston Whaler is so easy, so high quality. It jumps out to you immediately when you come take a look at a Boston Whaler. As we step midship, the helm is awesome here. We have twin 9-inch screens. You can do 2 12-inch screens on this, or you can opt for a single 12-inch screen and a really deep lockable glove box to put your valuables in and lock those away when you're stepping away from the boat. Boston Whaler does a great job on the helm, guys. It's not a difficult helm for your eyes to grab. You know when it's activated, you know when it is not. It's very simple. The plastic rocker switches are definitely proven to last over time. Anytime we have the metal switching, we know what happens to those in a saltwater market. So even on the top of the helm here, we've got a lot of detail. We have wireless charging. We also have plugs here for connectivity and another charger as well if you have multiple cell phones on the boat. And then as we step forward, it's about 20 inches here. I'm 6'1". I fit down the gunnel wall, no problem. You'll see our starboard side entryway into our head compartment. We do have a pump out head. This is also where your ignition key will mount. Plenty of storage, and then you can see our battery banks here for our trolling motor setup, which you'll see in the front of the bow as we step forward. Whaler is pretty famous for their bows. They drag this feature, if you will, into a lot of their models, and it's because it's successful, guys. This awesome lounger, everyone, friends and family, will appreciate lounging up here. This is an oversized dual lounger here with drop-down armrest, beverage holders. There's grab handles on both sides as well so that your guests feel comfortable on board. And then here, we have our lockable garage. You'll see these on their Outrage models. You'll see it here on their Dauntless models. Really deep. You can fit up to 7-foot rods inside this storage as well, and again, lock them away. You can lock your head door as well, so there's truly no access to people who shouldn't have access to your equipment. More of those JL audio speakers here in the bow, more rod holders as well, and then you can also opt for a really cool sail shade that'll allow all your friends and family to get out of the sun when they're hanging out here in the bow of the boat. And we have one of our articulating loungers flipped up, so you have a nice back support here, but again, that will lay flush just like you see on the port side. There's a trolling motor panel up front, so really you can get all your equipment on here for a day on the water. And then we have really deep, versatile storage here. It's insulated, so you can use it as a cooler, or you can use it for storage for lines, fenders, whatever you see fit. And then you'll have a dedicated anchor locker just under that cushion there. So everything on board, you can see how they've recessed their grab handles for your friends and family, more beverage holders. They just do a great job with detail. I implore you to come into the showroom, check out a 250 Dauntless with myself or one of my teammates. My name's Jason Lake over at MarineMax Clearwater. Come see us, and we'll show you this 250 Dauntless.